see about 5 mazes which is in the world. Number 1, Peace Maze. It is located in the Northern Ireland in UK. It is the world's second largest hedge maze. Number 2, Greenman Maze. It is located in the Penpont, Brecon in UK. Number 3, Hampton Court Maze. It is located in England. It is famous for a tourist attraction. Number 4, Tangled Maze. It is located in Victoria in Australia. It is an hedge maze. Number 5, Scone Palace Maze. It is located in Vienna, Austria. It is an summer residence of the Habsburg rulers.
Today we are going to see an interesting topic which already you know, that is a mazes in the world. 5 mazes in the world. First we can see Penpont Maze. Penpont Maze were planted as they distribute to the new millennium and a sign of the renewed hope and reguance, and it's saluted that it's largest in the present. Next one is Villa Ponzi Maze. A villa belonging to the rich and powerful Ponzi family who had it built famed attract to Jinkula family in 1722. Next one is Villa Ponzi Maze. A villa belonging to the rich and powerful Ponzi family who had it built famed attract to Jinkula family in 1722. Next is Hampton Court Palace Maze. Is the UK oldest serving hedge maze, consisting around 1700 by the William III. Next is Landlet Maze. Landlet Maze is 7th marvelous of base and designed by Gray by it let out 1975 and the planted entirely of English.
Today I am going to talk about 5 mazes around the world. The first one, Penpont Maze, Wales, United Kingdom. The Peace Maze, Northern Ireland. Hampton Court Palace Maze in England. Villa Pisani Labyrinth, Italy. Yancheng Defeng Dream Maze, China.
Today I am going to speak about real life mazes. Number 1, Hampton Court Maze. It is one of the surviving hedge mazes and it was built in 1700s and it's located in Surrey, UK. Number 2, Richardson Farm Corn Maze. It is located in Spring Grove, USA. It's the world's largest maze. It pays tribute to its national anthem, the Star-Spangled Banner. 33 acres of corn make up this amazing labyrinth. Number 3, the Peace Maze. The Peace Maze is one of the top 10 mazes in the world. In fact, it is the first maze in the list. It is located in Castlewellan, North Ireland. It is the world's second largest maze. Number 4, Dole Plantation Maze, Oahu, Hawaii. It was the largest maze in 2008. 2.5 miles with native tropical plants. Fifth one, Cherry Crest Farm, Lancaster, Penn. The Cherry Crest Farm Maze has a bridge where we can see the birds in eye view, and we have a traveler's progress there.
5 topmost garden maze in the world. Happy morning everyone. My name is Jessica. I am studying grade 7 in Shakthi International School, and this is my English project showing top 5 mazes in the world. Come, let us go into the video. The first maze. This maze is the biggest maze in the world. Do you know what is that? It is Yancheng Defeng Dream Maze. It is located in China and its size is 35,596.74 square meter. and its length of pathway is 9457.36 meter, and its construction time, that means its construction time is 5 months. That means this maze has been built in 5 months, and now its age is 2 years old. Second one, it is the very hardest maze in the world, that is Villa Pisani Labyrinth. It is located in Italy, and its size is 3600 square meter, and its length of pathway is several miles long. I don't know correctly about it, and its construction time is 15 years, and its age is 285 years old. That means this maze is built before 285 years. The third one, it is the very oldest maze in the world. It is the Hampton Court Palace Maze, which is located in England. Its size is 2,42,811 square meters, and its length of pathway is 800 meter, and its construction time is approximately 5 years, and its age is over 300 years. The fourth one, the most important maze in the world, that is the Peace Maze, located in Northern Ireland. Its size is 10,926 square meters. Its length of pathway is 3.5 kilometers, and its construction time is 2 years, and its age now is 20 years. Fifth one, the most symbolic maze, that is Penpont Maze, located in Wales. Its size is 165 square feet, and its age is 20 years old, and one of the feature is it is shaped like a green man, that is a pagan symbol of a rebirth.
The Penpont Maze. This maze is located at UK, and it's designed by David Goff. And there is a design of a human face in this maze. Hampton Court Palace Maze. Hampton Court Maze is a hedge maze at Hampton Court Palace, an oldest surviving hedge maze in Britain. This was planted in trapezoid shape. Pineapple Garden Maze. Pineapple Garden Maze was world's largest maze. The designer of Pineapple Garden Maze is Alice Bradway, and it's located at Doll Plantation. This maze was built at 1998. Andrew Castle Maze. Andrew Castle Maze is a maze that is in the top 3 smallest mazes in the world. We will take only 10 to 15 minutes to solve this maze. Avinashi Maze. This maze will be planted in circular shape. At front there will be a caterpillar welcoming us. This maze is specially designed for only kids.